Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to share about 5 foods that you should be eating if you are an athlete. Many supplements are available in the market promising improved performance, but none of these products can be as effective as the nutrients provided by whole food. So see guys, food is a fuel that will help your body to perform at its best. Without it, your endurance, strength and overall performance will be down. So the foods you eat helps your body to reduce inflammation, fight diseases and continue to develop power and speed through physical activity. So athletes, if you want to take your performance to the next level, then you should be closely monitoring what is happening on your plate. So guys, here are 5 foods which will help you to optimize your performance on the field. So before I start, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified about my new uploads. So guys, these foods are super simple, affordable and easily available anywhere you are. So the first food in my list is none other than this egg. Eggs are an important part in any athlete's diet. They are an ideal food to fuel performance. They are safe and cheap source of proteins. So one egg contains around 7 grams of complete protein and almost all the essential amino acids that are required to build and maintain muscles. So I know most of you guys eat eggs, but I know the problem is egg yolk, right? So whenever I've gone for my academy visits or I've done my one-on-one sessions with athletes, I have seen athletes discarding egg yolks. They've told me that they don't eat egg yolks because they think eggs are like egg yellows are bad, they increase your cholesterol or it increases their weight. But let me tell you, egg yolks are not at all bad and you should not be throwing them away because they are power packed with lot of nutrients. So I've made a detailed video on egg yolks, especially I've cleared out the myth around egg yolk and cholesterol. So make sure you check out that video, link is given on top and in the description box below. So make sure guys, eggs are an important part of your diet, because that way you will be able to even achieve a correct diet. So make sure eggs have a place in your plate. Now moving on to another superfood, which is sweet potato. It is one of my favorite food and is in almost all my athletes' diet. So sweet potatoes are a must for you guys and I will give you reasons for that. So number 1, they are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates which digests and absorbs gradually, supplying your body with energy over a period of time. Then they are packed with vitamin A and anthocyanins that help to reduce post-workout inflammation. And lastly, they are a good source of potassium, which is an electrolyte that plays an important role in muscle contraction and helps to soothe sore muscles. So sweet potatoes are also quite cost-effective food and they are super versatile. So make sure you stock up on this superfood. Next food to boost your performance are omega-3 rich foods like chia seeds, fatty fish. Then here I have these flax seeds, walnuts. So omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that can support your athletic performance. They play an important role, especially in improving training adaptation, exercise recovery, injury prevention, fueling muscle growth, improving heart health and endurance, then protects your brain, especially in contact sports, and lastly, helps in improving body composition through fat loss. Oh, by the way, I have a detailed video on how omega-3 fatty acids help in muscle building. So for muscle building, it's not just proteins, but omega-3 fats play an important role. So make sure you check out that video and link is again given on top and in the description box below. Now moving on to another food for optimum performance, and that includes dark leafy greens and members of the cruciferous family, like my favorite broccoli, then cabbage, cauliflower, radish and Brussels sprouts. No doubt other vegetables are equally important when it comes to providing vitamins and minerals, but cruciferous vegetables are important as they contain higher concentration of antioxidants, fiber and lot other nutrients. They also contain high amounts of vitamin A, K, B6, folic acid and iron, all of which protect the body against inflammation. Iron also means more oxygen being supplied to the working muscles. So athletes can specially benefit from broccoli as it contains significant amount of proteins. 1 cup of raw broccoli contains only 30 calories and 2.5 grams of proteins. It's also high in bone building vitamin K, folic acid and immune strengthening compounds. Again, I have a video on broccoli and its nutritional facts. All of these links you can find there on top and even in the description box below. So athletes, make sure cruciferous vegetables are a part of your side dish. Now my last food in today's list is none other than rice. Yes, I am showing white rice and a lot of you might be thinking, isn't it bad? How can you show white rice? Yes, I know there is a lot of confusion between white and brown rice, and white rice has a bad reputation as it is processed. But in the case of athletes who have major performance goals and have no body composition issues, white rice can be a great food as it is a risk-free carb with no allergies, bloating, stomach issues and other side effects of gluten, wheat or other carb sources. Also, if white rice is paired with high protein food, it can form a fast recovery post-workout meal. So athletes keep alternating between different kinds of rice, but don't skip rice completely because it is nutritious and cost-effective fuel. And if you are a competitive athlete, then make sure to add rice in your diet. So guys, these were my top 5 foods which allows your body to have more energy, boost your performance, enhance your muscle recovery and improve your concentration. So athletes, refine your nutrition program by adding these smart foods in your regime. They are cost effective, delicious and easily available to be added to your diet right away. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite food, and if you like this video then please don't leave without hitting that like button. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.